Oh. Mmm. Top of the spoon? Where's the bottom of the spoon?
Right here.
That's the wrong end. That's it. Get up on the rice. And dip it into the soup. Oh, that's it. Use your hand. What are you doing? Oh, that's one way to do it, I guess.
He wants to drink too, hon. Calvin.
You got a big head. Look at you. Look, you got food on your teeth. Hey, we're going to try to film your sister eating. Look, her first time. Oh, you want in too? What? Where'd you go?
We're making hungry.
Oh, look.
Yes.
Watch.
Meg.
Whoa.
See how she's using her own spoon? See, she's like a superstar.
Reach Frank's best body. We're closed right now, so please leave us a message. Hello, my name is Jordan Belfort. My partner and I are very busy renting out your garage.
Donnie and I were going out on our own, and the first thing we needed was brokers, guys with sales experience. So I recruited some of my home.
Oh, it's your big head again.
Who sold meat and weed. Chester, who sold tires and weed.
Oh, look, she's just gonna feed herself.
Anything he could get his hands on, mostly weed.
Calvin's turn what? Napkin?
This is Brad.
Wait,
Brad's the guy
What do you keep making? I don't want to see your big head.
He was already making so much money selling.
Back it off a little bit. No, back up. Oh, there's brother and the big head. Huh?
Tell your sister I was
Huh?
asking about. Could you bring me a pair of her panties next time you go through?
Yeah, man, she said they don't want to talk to you anymore, man.
Okay, Calvin, eat. That's enough.
Enough.
Oh,
You're done and bacon.
I was trying to.
It's enough, hon. It's not going to stop as long as you see the flush.
Look at you. Get your own spoon, your own rice,
And your own juice.
own juice.
Put words in your mouth or nothing, but you just said that everybody wants to get rich.
Megan, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Yeah, like Buddhists. I don't give a shit
Come on, say bye-bye.
They're not buying shit. I'm not talking about Buddhists or Amish. I'm talking about